Howdy folks, Daniel Rubino with WPCentral, and I just want to give you a quick look at a Twitter app that we haven't covered before called TweeterLight. It's by a developer named Pilchi, and actually it's been out for a little while, but we missed it. It's now at version 1.4, which is cool because it gets Mango support. TweeterLight, as you can imagine, is a fairly light Twitter client. You can see how quickly it loads here. I haven't loaded this in a while, so we'll see how fast it pulls down the update. This is over Wi-Fi, but it's been about a day or two. And there you go. You can see I had 100 new tweets at least. Now you can see that color change. What's cool about that is it's showing you those are your unread tweets. So it actually separates them. We'll go all the way down. You can see all the ones it pulled in. Quite a lot actually. And the timing of the app is nice. Like I said, for data pull, it actually works very well. Now you can see those are my previous tweets, and those are all the new ones. I really like that distinction. I think it's a pretty good visual aid. The app itself is pretty fast. It is free for trial, or there's a 99-cent version. I think the free version may be even ad-supported. I'm not 100% sure. And scroll over, you got your mentions. You got your favorites over here. And then it has a WP7 dev line here where you can following that stuff. Overall, the app is pretty basic. You can do a new tweet. It gives you your photo. You can do the at lookup. This is kind of cool. Tap it. It actually gives you that little picker list that we're familiar with here. So it's a great way for finding your people, your contacts that you want to write to. It's not as convenient, I suppose, as typing it out, but it's still a pretty good solution. Of course, you can do your hashtags. Also gives you some of the ones that I think you use. It basically follows the stuff that you tag a lot. And of course, you can do the tweet itself. It does do geolocation, I believe. I think it does it automatically. We'll go to settings. It has read it later built in. There's geotagging. You can turn on and off. I guess it does it automatically. You can choose granularity for that, which is kind of cool for how specific you want it. Point, neighborhood, city, state, country. Search in current language. Always kind of a nice option. Now you'll see what's kind of interesting. Every time you do a move on this, it refreshes automatically. Some people might not like that. It might be good to have that as an option for the developer. But it is kind of a neat twist. So every time, even when we go read a tweet here, and you got your email, quote, direct message, your reply, retweet, or favorite. But it brings down the message. You can see where they tweeted from, the time. Now when I go back, you'll see it's going to update again. Like I said, some people might not like that, but it is a fairly fast application, and it is pretty dynamic in that sense. I actually really like this app. I think it's pretty nice. It does have landscape support, I believe, for new messages. So if you're going to type something out, it works. I don't believe it does it. Does it do for the list? I forgot. Oh, it does. Okay. So this actually makes it the rare Twitter app that actually does full landscape, even for messages. And for some of you, that may be a key distinction. Other than that, it's a fairly basic Twitter app. So no super advanced features, but for myself, I actually really dig it. So it's called TweeterLight. Pick it up in the marketplace. Like I said, there's a free trial or a 99-cent version. There you go. Take care, everybody.